Welcome to Bahar Artist channel. Today I want to draw Knuckles with strong muscles and so hot. Let's go drawing. I start with a small black point as his nose, and then I use a black rapid. I draw the lowest part of his face with this rapid. Now, it's turn off his eyes. After that, I draw eyebrow. Now it's turn off the second eye. The most important point is that the left eye is smaller than the right eye. Also, that eyebrow is smaller too. Now I draw his mouth. His smile is so special. I really like it. If you enjoy from this drawing, please like this video. Now I draw his head, like this. I use pencil because it's comfortable for me. And if you make a mistake, you can erase it so easy. There is a sign like a moon on his chest. And now I start to draw his arms. He has strong arms with many muscles. I move the pencil soft and quick for drawing his body. Now I draw his wrist. I draw 2 or 3 triangles on his hands. They make him more stronger. Now it's turn off the second arm. I move the pencil so soft and so quick. It's not hard and take it easy. If you want to learn drawing and painting and sketches, you can subscribe my channel. I share drawing videos every day and teach you drawing easy step by step. Now it's turn off his chest. The higher part of his chest is more bigger than the lower part. At the end of drawing his chest, I add some details like these lines for showing his muscles and six packs. Now I start drawing his legs. His legs are so strong. For take it easier, I can divide his legs to 2 parts. This work shows his muscles better. Knuckles' shoes are so attractive and colorful. I start drawing them. They have a higher part and I add some details for showing the muscles better. Well, I start his shoes, do it step by step, and then add the details. For this one, I draw a middle circle. It shows the shoe better, and then I add the details. Now I use black marker. If you made a mistake, erase it and then use black marker. Now you can see our Knuckles is so strong and he has many muscles. Actually, I think he's so hot, isn't he? Now I start painting. I add some details to his shoes and gloves and socks by the black rapid. Actually, these details are the straight lines, like that. I use blue, green, orange and red for his shoes, so can be said his shoes are colorful. I use yellow for around his mouth. At the end, it's turn off the main color, red. I don't use red for socks, gloves and the moon on his chest. Knuckles' body is red too. It makes him like an evil. He seems so powerful. Well guys, my drawing is finished. If you enjoy from these drawing videos, please like and comment for me. Also, for getting more drawing, don't forget my channel.